Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. We're going to explore how Microsoft Copilot is empowering business intelligence within PowerBI. The title of our talk is Empowering Business Intelligence with Microsoft Copilot for PowerBI, and the subtitle highlights how we're transforming data analysis and decision-making through AI-driven insights. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover the key features, benefits, and real-world applications of this innovative tool. So, let's dive in and see how this technology is shaping the future of data-driven decision-making. Welcome to the introduction of Copilot for PowerBI. Microsoft's Copilot is an AI-powered data assistant that's embedded directly within PowerBI. Its goal is to transform how we approach business intelligence and data analysis. By leveraging generative AI, Copilot allows users to interact with their data in a conversational way. This means you can ask questions and get insights quickly, which helps speed up the process of uncovering valuable information. It also simplifies complex analytics workflows, making advanced data analysis more accessible to everyone. This integration truly marks a new era, where AI enhances our decision-making capabilities and democratizes access to data across organizations. It's about making data smarter and more approachable for all of us. Let's talk about the data challenge that organizations face today. As businesses generate massive volumes of data every single day, it creates an overwhelming flood of information. This vast amount of data can be difficult to manage and analyze effectively. At the same time, many organizations struggle to keep pace with this rapid data growth. If they can't analyze their data quickly and accurately, they risk missing out on valuable opportunities. This can lead to a competitive disadvantage, because slow or ineffective analysis means they might not be able to act on insights in time. This is where the critical challenge lies, being able to extract actionable insights swiftly and efficiently. Without the right tools or processes, the sheer volume of data becomes a barrier rather than an asset. That's why empowering business intelligence with solutions like Microsoft Copilot for PowerBI becomes so essential. It helps us navigate this data landscape more effectively, turning overwhelming data into clear, strategic insights. When we talk about expert skills in business intelligence, we often see that the reliance on highly skilled analysts can actually limit how agile and accessible insights are for the broader team. This means that only a few trained individuals can produce meaningful reports, which creates bottlenecks in decision-making. Creating complex reports and dashboards isn't straightforward. It typically requires deep knowledge of data modeling, DAX formulas, and query languages. That level of expertise isn't always available within every team, which can slow down the entire process. Traditional business intelligence tools demand specialized technical skills. While these skills are valuable, they can also be a barrier, making it harder for everyone to get the insights they need quickly and easily. That's why empowering broader teams with smarter tools, like Microsoft Copilot for PowerBI, is so important to overcoming these challenges. Let's talk about the AI solution for business intelligence. The goal here is to empower everyone in the organization with smarter, faster insights using Microsoft Copilot for PowerBI. This means making data insights accessible to all employees, not just data specialists, and speeding up decision-making across the enterprise. When we say accelerating enterprise decision-making, we mean that AI can help simplify how we explore data, automate complex tasks, and even allow us to interact using natural language, making the whole process more intuitive. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence enables every user to unlock the full potential of their data instantly, no years of training required. It's about empowering users with AI so they can make smarter, faster decisions and truly leverage data as a strategic asset. Now, moving on to slide 6, let's talk about how widely adopted PowerBI has become. Its widespread adoption really underscores its role as a cornerstone in modern data-driven strategies. When organizations choose PowerBI, they're essentially recognizing its importance in making informed decisions based on data. PowerBI is renowned for its robust data visualization and analytics capabilities. This means it allows users to turn raw, complex data into compelling, interactive reports that are easy to understand and share. These visualizations help teams spot trends, identify issues, and uncover opportunities more effectively. What's impressive is that PowerBI is trusted by millions worldwide. Its popularity isn't just because of its features, but also because it's a leading business intelligence platform that organizations rely on daily. Overall, PowerBI's leadership in the buy market and its ability to support data-driven decision-making make it a vital tool for modern organizations looking to stay competitive and innovative. Navigating data exploration workflows in PowerBI can often feel cumbersome. This can slow down how quickly we get insights and can also limit our overall productivity. When it comes to creating reports, even for experienced analysts, it can take a lot of time and effort. And mastering those complex DAX formulas, that's still a significant challenge for many users. These persistent hurdles highlight the ongoing difficulties we face when working with PowerBI. They remind us why we need smarter tools that can streamline these processes and make our work more efficient. Now, let's talk about how Copilot is truly empowering business intelligence within PowerBI. It enables conversational interaction, which means you can create reports, generate visuals, and uncover insights much faster than ever before. This makes the entire process more intuitive and efficient. Think of Copilot as your intelligent assistant that understands your data context and your specific business needs. It's designed to help you get to the answers you need without the hassle of manual analysis. Microsoft's Copilot is a generative AI seamlessly integrated into PowerBI, and it's really set to revolutionize the way we do analytics. It's not just about automation, it's about transforming how we interact with data, making insights more accessible and actionable. So, as we introduce Copilot in PowerBI, remember that this is a major step forward in making business intelligence smarter, faster, and more connected to the needs of your organization. Let's take a closer look at what Copilot is and how it enhances your experience with PowerBI. First, it is designed to adapt seamlessly to your workflow preferences. That means whether you like having a chat pane open while you work or prefer a full-screen immersive experience, Copilot can adjust to suit your style. Its flexible interface options make it easy to integrate into your daily tasks without disrupting your process. Moving on, one of the most exciting features is its generative AI capabilities. This allows you to have natural language conversations, so you can ask questions, generate visuals, or get insights instantly, just like chatting with a knowledgeable assistant. And finally, think of Copilot as an embedded AI assistant within PowerBI desktop and service. It's there to help you be more efficient, more intuitive, and more insightful in your data analysis. All of these features work together to empower your business intelligence journey, making data insights more accessible and actionable than ever before. Now, let's take a closer look at how Copilot enhances your PowerBI experience. This slide highlights the continuous evolution of the tool, updated monthly with the latest PowerBI feature releases. This means you're always gaining access to the newest AI capabilities and improvements, helping you stay ahead in your data-driven decision-making. At its core, Copilot combines your proprietary data with powerful large language models, or LLMs. This integration enables you to make natural, conversational queries. Think of it as chatting with your data rather than wrestling with complex formulas. It makes insights much more accessible and intuitive. Additionally, Copilot uses Microsoft Fabric data and semantic models to deeply understand your specific data and business domain. This means it's not just processing generic information. It's grasping the context that's unique to your organization, providing more accurate and relevant insights. And so, how does all this work behind the scenes? That's what this slide is about, how the AI powers these capabilities, making your experience seamless and intelligent. This ongoing development ensures that your business intelligence tools are always evolving to meet your needs more effectively. Now, let's explore the core capabilities of Copilot within PowerBI. First, we have the ability to write DAX formulas. This means you can automate complex calculations effortlessly with AI-generated code that saves you hours of manual work and reduces errors. Next, there's the power to summarize reports. Copilot can provide concise, business-focused narratives that explain intricate data patterns clearly, making insights more accessible. Then we have the feature to generate visuals. With simple prompts, you can create professional charts, tables, and even full report pages on demand, streamlining your report creation process. Lastly, you can chat with your data. Just ask questions in plain English, and you'll receive instant, accurate answers, no need for coding or technical expertise. These capabilities really highlight how Copilot is transforming the way we work with data, making it more intuitive, faster, and more insightful, perfectly aligning with our goal to empower smarter business decisions. Now, let's look at how Copilot for business users enhances your experience with PowerBI. The key idea here is that you can simply ask natural language questions like, "Show me last quarter's sales by region with top 5 products," and you'll get immediate, relevant results. It's all about making data more accessible and easier to explore without needing technical skills. You don't have to be a database expert to request analyses. Another important point is that it enables ad hoc analysis. That means you can quickly find reports and datasets across your workspace without navigating through complex menus or structures. It's all about saving time and making spontaneous inquiries straightforward. And finally, with instant discovery, you can uncover insights on the fly. Whether you're looking for specific data points or trying to understand trends, this approach helps you explore your data more naturally and efficiently. Together, these features support our goal of empowering everyone to make smarter, data-driven decisions with ease. Let's take a closer look at how Copilot for report creators can truly transform your workflow. One of the biggest advantages is the dramatic reduction in manual report building time. This means you can spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on analysis and strategic decision-making. Now, how does it do this? Well, for starters, it can generate professional quality visuals from simple natural language prompts in just seconds. So, instead of spending minutes or even hours formatting charts and graphs, you just tell it what you need, and it delivers. And there's more. Copilot offers AI-driven recommendations for complete report pages that are tailored specifically to your data and your business context. These smart suggestions help you build comprehensive reports faster and with greater confidence, ensuring your insights are both accurate and impactful. Overall, this slide underscores how leveraging AI like Copilot can free up your time, enhance your productivity, and ultimately allow you to focus more on what matters most, your analysis and strategic initiatives. Let's talk about how we can minimize errors and misleading outputs in PowerBI. One of the key ways to do this is by improving data model quality and ensuring semantic clarity. When our data models are solid and clear, the insights we generate become more reliable and meaningful. It's also important to make sure that our insights align with our organization's terminology and business context. This way, everyone can understand and trust the data without confusion or misinterpretation. Another critical point is preparing and optimizing our data models for AI understanding. By doing so, we enhance both accuracy and performance, making our insights more precise and timely. And with Copilot for data model owners, we get smarter data preparation tools. This helps us streamline the process, making data modeling more efficient and less error-prone. Overall, these improvements empower us to build better, more trustworthy business intelligence, helping us make smarter decisions faster. All right, let's get started with how you can begin using Copilot in PowerBI Desktop. First, you'll want to open PowerBI Desktop, of course. Then, connect your data source, whether that's an Excel file, a database, or another data service. Once you've got your data loaded, look for the Copilot icon on the toolbar and click it to start engaging in conversational analytics. This makes exploring and analyzing your data much more intuitive and natural. Now, a key point to remember is that Copilot is enabled by default in most tenants, so you should be able to access it without extra setup. However, Administrators have the ability to toggle its availability based on organizational policies, so it's worth checking with your IT team if you don't see it right away. Also, to unlock the full capabilities of Copilot, you'll need to have your workspace set up with a paid Fabric or premium capacity. This ensures you have the necessary resources for advanced features and larger data models. In summary, starting with Copilot is straightforward. Open PowerBI desktop, connect your data, and click the icon. Just keep in mind the organizational settings and capacity requirements to make the most out of this powerful tool. Now, let's look at how you can share your polished reports quickly with the help of comprehensive AI support. This step is all about efficiency, getting your insights out there faster while maintaining quality. Once your report is refined, you can publish it more rapidly, saving you valuable time. Next, it's important to remember that AI-generated pages aren't set in stone. You have the ability to refine them, customize visualizations, and tailor the content to meet your specific needs. This flexibility ensures your reports are both accurate and visually compelling. To do that, you'll launch the interface and select the option labeled Suggest Content for this report. This activates the AI assistance, guiding you through improvements or suggesting enhancements to your report. Another key step is opening the Copilot pane. This is your control center for connecting to various data sources, whether that's databases, files, or cloud services. Establishing these links is crucial because it allows the AI to pull in the most relevant and up-to-date data, making your reports more insightful and reliable. Overall, these steps empower you to create and share business intelligence reports more efficiently, leveraging the full potential of Microsoft Copilot integrated with PowerBI. Let's take a look at some real-world impact stories that showcase how Microsoft Copilot for PowerBI is making a difference. First, we see that users have reported a reduction in burnout and an increase in creativity, thanks to the AI-powered support. This highlights how automation and intelligent assistance can help analysts work more efficiently and stay more engaged. Next, there's a story from a global retailer that used natural language queries to uncover hidden sales trends and better understand customer behaviors. This demonstrates how AI-driven insights can unlock valuable data that might otherwise go unnoticed. Finally, we have Contoso Corporation, which managed to cut report creation time by 60%. This significant efficiency boost allows analysts to dedicate more time to strategic initiatives, rather than spending so much time on routine reporting. All these examples tie back to our overall theme, empowering business intelligence through innovative AI tools like Copilot, leading to smarter, faster, and more satisfying work processes. Let's take a closer look at how Copilot compares to traditional BI workflows. On this slide, you can see that Copilot offers a conversational interface, which means you can interact with your data using natural language. This allows for instant results, making the process much quicker and more intuitive. It's accessible to all skill levels, so even those without deep technical expertise can generate insights easily. This dramatically speeds up the insight generation process, helping you make decisions faster. In contrast, traditional BI often relies on manual coding, which can be slow and labor-intensive. It involves slow iteration cycles and a steep learning curve that can be a barrier for many users. Additionally, access to traditional tools is often limited to technical users, leaving non-technical team members on the sidelines. The key advantage of Copilot is that it democratizes data analysis, making it faster, easier, and more inclusive. It aligns perfectly with our overall goal of empowering everyone to leverage data more effectively. Let's take a closer look at how Microsoft Copilot is transforming organizational impact, especially within PowerBI. First, Copilot really helps break down barriers between technical and non-technical users. This means that everyone, regardless of their technical background, can access and work with data more easily. It enhances agility because teams can adapt quickly and innovate without being held back by technical limitations. Next, when we talk about decision-making, Copilot accelerates this process by delivering actionable insights in real time. Instead of sifting through endless data, users get clear guidance to make faster, more informed decisions. Another important point is how Copilot fosters a culture of data literacy. It encourages employees at all levels to become more comfortable and confident with data, which is crucial for a data-driven organization. And finally, Copilot democratizes data insights, making them accessible to everyone. This empowerment means that all employees can leverage data to inform their work, driving overall organizational growth and innovation. So, in essence, Copilot isn't just a tool. It's a catalyst for creating a more agile, innovative, and data-literate organization. Let's take a moment to consider some of the limitations and considerations when empowering business intelligence with Microsoft Copilot for PowerBI. First, it's important to note that all of this is governed by Microsoft's rigorous compliance and privacy standards, ensuring your data remains secure and protected. However, because AI-generated insights can sometimes be imperfect, it's crucial that knowledgeable users review these insights to avoid potential inaccuracies. This helps maintain the integrity of your decision-making process. Another point to keep in mind is regional availability. Currently, output validation features are not supported in sovereign cloud regions due to infrastructure constraints, so deployment options may vary depending on your location. Finally, to get the best results from Copilot, your data models should be well-structured and optimized. High-quality data models are essential for accurate insights and effective analysis. Overall, while Copilot offers powerful capabilities, understanding these limitations helps ensure you use it effectively and responsibly within your organization. Ensuring responsible AI use by Microsoft is a crucial part of our overall strategy. When we talk about empowering business intelligence with Microsoft Copilot for PowerBI, it's not just about adding powerful features, but also about doing so responsibly. On this slide, you'll see that full compliance with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA is fundamental. This ensures that our AI deployment is secure and ethical, respecting user privacy and legal standards. Transparency is key. Admins have granular control, meaning they can enable or disable specific features based on tenant policies. This level of control helps organizations tailor AI use to their unique compliance needs. And of course, Copilot is built with Microsoft's responsible AI principles in mind, aligning with global privacy standards. This commitment guarantees that privacy protocols are in place to protect user data while delivering value. All of these elements, regulatory compliance, admin controls, and privacy protocols, work together to create a trustworthy AI environment. This aligns with our overall message. Responsible AI use is not just a best practice, but a necessity for sustainable, secure innovation. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the advanced Copilot features that are currently in preview. These enhancements really demonstrate Microsoft's strong commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI-powered analytics. They go well beyond traditional reporting by making insights more accessible and easier to understand. One key feature is automated measure documentation. This tool automatically generates detailed descriptions for complex DAX calculations, which helps improve collaboration within teams and ensures everyone understands how a particular measure works. Another exciting development is Fabric integration. This extends Copilot's AI capabilities across the entire data lifecycle. It includes tools like Data Factory, data engineering, and real-time intelligence, all in preview. This means AI support is now woven into every stage, from data collection to real-time insights. And then there's the PowerBI agent, which offers a full-screen AI experience. It allows users to explore all their data assets comprehensively with enhanced conversational capabilities. This makes it easier to ask questions, get insights, and interact with your data in a more natural and intuitive way. All of these features collectively reinforce our overall theme, empowering users with smarter, more integrated analytics tools that make data-driven decision-making more efficient and insightful. Now, let's look at the future of Copilot in PowerBI. We have a clear roadmap for innovation that ensures Copilot continues to evolve as a cutting-edge tool for business intelligence. This means it will keep advancing to meet the growing needs of users and organizations. One key focus is our global expansion efforts. We're working to broaden language support and increase regional availability, so Copilot becomes accessible and useful to diverse user communities all around the world. Additionally, we're integrating more deeply with Microsoft Fabric and Azure OpenAI. This deeper integration will enable more sophisticated analytics and smarter insights across various platforms, making the tool even more powerful. And finally, Microsoft plans to roll out continuous monthly updates. These updates will bring new AI capabilities and improvements based on user feedback, ensuring that Copilot stays current, relevant, and truly helpful in your daily business intelligence work. Now, let's look at how to enable Copilot in your organization for a smooth and effective integration. Proper setup is crucial because it ensures that your teams can confidently leverage AI-driven insights without any hiccups. First, it's important to ensure a proper setup for seamless integration. This means paying attention to the technical configurations so everything works smoothly together. Next, user training programs are essential. They help maximize adoption and value by teaching best practices for AI-assisted analytics and how to effectively use Copilot. Remember, even the most advanced tools need users to be well-trained to get the full benefit. Then, you need to assign Copilot-enabled capacity, such as Fabric or Premium P1 or higher, to the workspaces that require AI capabilities. This step ensures full functionality where your teams need it most. Finally, administrators can configure Copilot through the Fabric admin portal. This setup provides granular controls, allowing you to enable or disable features on a per-tenant basis. All these steps are interconnected and foundational to empowering your organization with Copilot, helping your teams work smarter and make better decisions. Now, let's talk about how these strategies help unlock Copilot's full potential for accurate and insightful data exploration. First, experimenting with different phrasings and continuously refining your prompts based on the results is key. This iterative process allows you to optimize outcomes and get the most relevant insights. Next, don't hesitate to ask for various types of analysis, whether it's summaries, comparisons, trend analyses, or correlations. This variety can provide richer, more actionable insights that truly support your decision-making. It's also important to communicate in natural, conversational English. You don't need to use technical jargon, SQL syntax, or programming terms. Simply framing your questions naturally makes it easier for Copilot to understand and deliver useful responses. And finally, be specific with your prompts. Instead of vague requests, use precise prompts like "Show me sales by product category for last year." Clear and focused questions lead to better, more accurate results. Together, these tips empower you to harness Microsoft Copilot more effectively, turning data exploration into a more intuitive and powerful experience. Now, let's explore how Copilot and PowerBI Carousels are revolutionizing visual storytelling in business intelligence. This approach really transforms the way we communicate data by combining interactivity with elegant navigation. It helps keep audiences engaged, focused, and well-informed throughout the presentation. When we talk about transforming data storytelling, think about applications like executive dashboards, client presentations, or internal reports. In these scenarios, visual impact is key because it drives understanding and helps inform better decision-making. Carousel visuals are particularly powerful. They allow us to create scrollable, bite-sized data stories. This makes complex information much easier to digest and remember, no matter who our audience is. And with the integration of adaptive cards, we can present AI-generated insights in formats that are not only interactive, but also engaging. This really boosts stakeholder engagement, making the insights feel more personalized and accessible. Overall, by combining these tools, we're making data storytelling more dynamic, memorable, and impactful, taking BI to the next level. Let's talk about why Copilot matters now and how it's transforming business intelligence. Essentially, it's making analytics more accessible and agile for everyone. One of the biggest advantages is faster decision-making. With Copilot, organizations can make data-driven decisions up to 5 times faster, enabling employees across all levels to act quickly and confidently. Now, there's a clear need for this. About 75% of employees require data insights to do their jobs effectively, but many lack the technical skills to analyze data on their own. That's where Copilot really shines. It provides accessible tools so everyone can tap into insights without needing advanced analytics expertise. Additionally, the amount of data we generate is growing rapidly, by around 328% annually. This explosion in data volume makes speed and accuracy in analysis more crucial than ever before. So, by integrating Copilot into PowerBI, we're not just improving efficiency, we're also empowering organizations to stay ahead in a data-driven world.